Hello, hi, welcome back, welcome back. So today, it's we're going to talk about the Nasdaq stocks, and also the Russell index, which is containing the small and the medium-sized companies. Um, Basically, you know, the talk of the town right now is whether um, this market rally will continue, or we are heading towards um, a bear market trap, which is we're going to see a reversal, and not a black swan reversal, but actually a correction back to maybe last year or the beginning of this year's market. Of course, you can see the Dow Jones companies that has usually we call them the traditional business, have had a not so good run. Usually, their profit margin are in the single digits, which means if interest rates were to go from 0% to a terminal rate of 5.25, and assuming the Fed is not going to do any more hikes, or maybe one or two more, it will still hover around 5%. And you can see that their profit margin, the quarterly earnings would be seriously affected. So that's why you see growth stocks that have double digit growth, especially growth stocks that have double digit growth at the same time have a good amount of cash in their account. So the burning rate, even though they are not profitable yet, but the burning rate is I mean, the funds that they have can last the company for at least many more quarters. Then you'll probably be safe, good cash flow, and a lot of money in their account from their spec listings and all that, and it's a good business I mean, a proven business. Then it probably will work. Those company would be hedge funds or mutual funds investors new bet, which I think will likely to happen. So as Shamath actually did mention in his uh, on this question about whether um, market is going for reversal, especially the last 2 days. You can see uh, even the Nasdaq and the Russell index stocks has gone down. And as you can see, the entire year, many companies, many mutual funds, and hedge funds have missed the rally because it's centered pretty much on 6 to 7 stocks. So it's fair that they missed it as well. And then the question is, I Shamath did mention that there would be a possibility of a rebalancing of their portfolio, meaning moving away from Target, Walmart, all those commodity stocks that have a single digit growth, stable company, you know, um, to companies that I preferably in the Russell index. But the stock selection are very important, as you can know, in this slowing down environment, business environment also not very good. Many of these growth stocks may also face uh, bankruptcy as well. That could be quite likely to happen. So, but stock picking selection is important, and I did mention that um, the stocks like Palantir, Robinhood, Robinhood is got a lot of cash in their company, but it hasn't actually reaches profitable yet in their last quarter, and let's see what happens in quarter two. Palantir has got both cash rich, zero debt, not affected by the 5% interest rates as well, and moving to profitability. profitability from since Q1, and the company is saying that the CEO Alex Karp did mention that they'll be profitable from future quarters onwards. So it's pretty much a good sign. The seventh big tech, from my point of view, will continue to be doing well. They were spending on a lot of side projects like metaverse and all that, and then now they have started to be more sensible and doing stuff, cutting and all that, and doing the right thing. They were like spending like there's no tomorrow, except for Nvidia, which really have a market expansion. So the bet, and also the stocks was oversold, and then now they have stopped doing silly things, and market uh, gives them that credit, and the stocks are back. But definitely, we are looking for companies that can have good future earnings, not just stop doing silly things. So, from my point of view, and also from what I hear of the narrative by Shamath, the company has a lot of growth. Growth stocks still have a lot of room, and market bottom is happening right now. Because usually by the time you know that the bad sentiment is over, then it's too late. The market would have reacted already. So yeah, hope you like the video. Thanks a lot. I will continue to talk about a few of the stock selections in my next video on what's good in the Russell Index. Thanks. Good night.